Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and on this video I'm going to show you how to install the new Res-v3 radio, ESC and sound controller all-in-one for your WPL C24 pickup truck RC right here. Okay, this nice beautiful pickup truck. Alright, so I'm going to install all this into the truck, so let's get started. Alright, on the kit you're going to receive the controller, right? Okay, let's pull it out. Okay, this is the new controller, right? Okay, very nice, as you can see right there. Okay, and feels really nice. Okay, so you're getting the new controller. You're getting a switch, okay, on and off switch for the truck. Okay, right here. Okay, a new plug for the battery. Okay, so the new switch, right? Another connector, and this is for the transmission, because it's going to this goes to the 2-gear transmission, okay, that you have to buy separately. Okay, this is to solder it to that transmission. Okay, some instructions, okay, right there. Okay, let me get a good view right there. Nice zoom right there, so you can pause the video and read it right there. Okay, and then you're also going to get the new okay, the new ESC. See, everything right here, the ESC and sound controller are all in one right here. That's really nice about this kit. All right, okay, let me take it out. It's kind of stuck right there. Okay, right there. Okay, there you go. Okay, all right, and some more instructions. Oh, just drop some stickers. Okay, more instructions. All right, and how to connect the plugs, right? Which terminal is which, right? Okay, right there. Okay, right there. All right. Okay, some stickers, right, for your pickup truck. Oh, there you go. Okay, got a little bit blurry. Okay, some stickers. And more stickers right there. And we got the speaker, right? Okay, because this new ESC, this controller, the whole thing, right, the motherboard, is going to have sound. So okay, so that's why you get the speaker. And finally, these resistors right here, and hopefully you can see them right there. These resistors, these ones, they go into the transmission, but like I said, the transmission you gotta buy it separately. So that's when you're going to use these resistors. Okay, all right, right there. See, I'm taking one out so you can see it right there. Okay, all right, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how to install it. All right, so here's our pickup truck, and the first thing you want to do is remove the body, right? Okay, this one is already loose because I'm modifying. I already I painted gave it a new color. So there's no screws right now. So what you want to do is remove the body, right, from the truck. Okay. And let me remove the back too. Okay. All right. So once you have your truck like this, okay, then I'm going to remove 2 screws, one here and one there. Okay. This comes out. All right, and then that's where we have the motherboard, the board right here. Okay, and this one has one screw. Okay, and remember, before you start touching this, make sure that there's no battery connected, right? Because you don't want to cause a short circuit. All right, so right here, one screw, this one. Okay, so let's start disconnecting all of them very carefully. All right, let's connect the battery cable. And right here, if you notice, okay, right here, this is positive. The first pin right here, positive and negative. All right, so just be aware of that. Right here, maybe you can get a better view. Right there, this is the top one, positive, and the bottom one, negative. All right, so here's the battery cable. Okay, so the top one is positive. Just like that. Okay, next we get the on-off switch, right? The switch to turn it on and off. Okay, this is the new one. And it also goes right there. Right here. Right next to the other one. Just like that. Now you get the motor cable, right? This is for the motor. Okay, but since I already bought the other motor, that has the second gears, I'm going to go ahead and solder this right now and show you with the new motor, so I can install it in. You can have this motor if you don't have the other motor, right? Because you have to buy it separately. Then this one goes right here. Let me show you just right now, because you can still use this one right there. Okay, this one goes right here. Okay, just like this, right there, in that order. Okay, so remember the top ones, if you look at it from this angle, the top ones are positive and the bottom ones wires are negative. Okay, all right. Okay, but now I'm gonna disconnect this one because I'm not gonna use this motor, right? I'm going to use the other one, the upgraded one. Okay, and here's the second gear motor right there. I already soldered the terminal, and one of the things that I noticed is like, okay, this terminal, right? These wires, I was going to solder this one, but actually it's kind of like the length is too small. So I decided to remove the original wire, right, from the motor. This one, I took it off and I soldered it to the new motor. Okay, as you can see right there. All right. Okay, this is how I did it. Okay, and here's the resistors, right? But I use other resistors that I had. So but the ones that come with the kit, they're good to use. So right here, here's where the transmission, the motor goes. Okay, goes on the third one, right here. All right, just like that. Now, in case when you turn it on, right? When you turn it on, I mean, and you notice that the engine is going the opposite direction, well, all you have to do is just switch this around. Okay, remove it and switch it around, and you could that way you make it go the other way. Okay, just in case you push forward and doesn't go forward. If it's reverse, then all you have to do is just take it off, switch it, right, and it'll work the proper way, the way that you want it, right? All right, so now let's connect the shift server. All right, here's the server that's gonna shift the transmission, right? The new engine, all right, the new motor. And I just right here, if you notice, I just put some tape so so the terminals where I solder it is not gonna be getting loose, right? Just for right now. Okay, so right here, this terminals right here, this one's okay. So the connections for the server that is going to be shifting the transmission is going to go like this. Okay, it's the bottom one. Okay, all right, let me get a better view, just like that. Okay, now let's connect the steering server. Okay, and the steering server is going to go in the middle right here. This one, this terminal is right here. Okay, so let me put it there carefully. Okay, and here's the steering server. Okay, let me get a better view. Okay, okay, and here it is, and it goes in the middle, just like this. Okay, be careful, do it gently. You don't want to bend any little wires, right? Okay, just like that. All right, so now let's connect the top one, this top connections, right? This pins right here, this is for your external accessories. So in my case, I'm going to install a winch, right? The winch that I already built, I'm gonna install it right here. Okay, here's my my winch, right? Okay, that I already built, and here's the terminals, the connections, the wires. Okay, there's only two, the positive and negative. Okay, and they're going to go like this. Okay, the top one right there. Okay, just like this. Okay, there we go. Just like that, gently. Okay, all right. Okay, let me get a better view. Okay, so you have the top one, which is my winch. Then we have the middle one, which is the steering, right? The middle one is the steering, and the bottom one is for the server that shifts the second gear on the motor. All right, so that's how the connections go on these pins. Okay, so now let's install the speaker, right? Or speaker, right? That comes with the kit. And the speaker connection goes into this one. This one right here. Right there. Okay. All right, so let's install it there. The left hand pin, this one. All right, let me get a better view. Okay, left hand pin, this one is the positive and the right one is the negative. All right, just like that. There you go. Okay, that's for your speaker wire, right? And then behind the speaker connection, right, the plug, you have the other other 1, 2, 3, 4 more slots to put the more connections, and this is for your accessories. I mean your lights, right? Okay, so let's install some lights. Okay, these are the headlights, okay, of the pickup truck. Okay, and let's put it somewhere here. Okay, I know right now it's a big mess, but just be patient, and then you know, you put it back to the, you know, install it into the truck, and it's gonna look nice. All right, so here's the headlights, the connection. Okay, all right, let's see. Okay, just like that. I notice it doesn't go all the way in. Okay, just like that. So now we have the other three behind the headlights, right? And the other one is the tail light. Right behind the headlights is the tail light, and right behind the tail light you have the signal ones, the left indicator, and the last one is the right indicator. So right there, those are what these things do. But I don't have them right now. I don't have the tail light ready or the signal lights. So since I don't have them ready, I cannot install them right now. But I was just noticing right now that the space right here is pretty tight if I continue using this this connection, right? So I'm not sure if I'm supposed to be using this kind of plugs, right here. You see these ones. I think maybe this is the ones I'm supposed to be using, these plugs that go right here, because it looks pretty tight. So maybe these are the ones. So for right now, I'm gonna leave this one here, but yeah, in case it doesn't fit, because it seems like it won't fit if I continue using this connection, then I'm gonna have to solder it and replace it, put the disconnections on the lights. Okay, so they all can fit. Okay, so right now everything is connected, and let's go ahead and give it a try. Okay, let's power it up and to see what it does. All right, I connected the batteries on the controller right here. Very easy. It's just 2 AA batteries on the back. Very easy to install. Okay, and just before I turn it on, I'm going to be connecting this battery that came with the truck. Okay, to power it on. All right, just like this. Okay, and now we turn on the control right here. Okay, turn on the switch. Okay, I heard the speaker, and now we have some the lights. Okay, are blinking on the headlights. The control is also has a light that is blinking, and now to connect it, to bind it, all you have to do is just push this shift gear, because if you notice right here, nothing happens. Okay, I give it throttle, nothing happens, so it's not bind yet to the receiver. So to do that, okay, shift right here. Okay, right there, just push it right there. Okay, now it's bind to the receiver. The control and the receiver, they can communicate. And to start it up, you turn it on, right? Okay, the engine, the truck, just push the trigger right here, the throttle, and just like that. Wow, look at that. Okay, and right there we can steer. Okay, right there we can steer, and it's proportional. Okay, the whole kit is proportional. Okay, and you can hear the signal lights, right? But right now I don't have no signal lights, right? So I have to install those. But you can hear the signal light, right? And in both directions you get them. Okay, and right there the throttle again to hear the engine. very nice sound. Okay. And after like about I forgot how many minutes, but it shuts down. Oh, right there. Okay, so it's just a few seconds. After a few seconds, it shuts down by itself, right? And this is the this is not the diesel sound. This is the more like the gas or gas pickup truck, right? Okay, not the diesel. Because you have two choices. You can pick diesel sound or the gas one. So this is the gas one. Okay, that's how it sounds. All right, so that's pretty much it. How the installation goes with this receiver, this new kit right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and put everything in the truck, right? Because right now everything looks very messy, right? And and just before I finish the video right here, let me show you this. The winch right here, you can control it by this, by the button right here on the side, right here. Okay, right there. Okay, it's winding right there. Oh, okay, this is back. Okay. Okay, so this is the switch that controls the winch right here. Okay. All right. And then we have the left right here. This one is to trim, right? To trim the front wheels. Okay. All right. To get it precisely where you want it to steer. And then this is the light switch. Okay, let's push it. Okay, well, it doesn't turn off. I thought it was going to turn off. Okay, I don't see it turning off, but okay, I'll figure it out later. All right, so here's the shifting gear. This is the to shift the motor, right, to another gear. And here's the shifting the server, right, that shift the gears, but I haven't installed it, right? So let's see, let's press it on. Okay, you can hear it right there. Okay, right there. Okay, you can hear it. I don't have nothing here, so so you can see it. Here, let me put something there. All right, let's connect this this thing so you can see it. Okay, right there. Okay, I'm gonna push the gear, the shifting button right here. So this server is going to go ahead and shift the gears on the motor, okay? And of course the motor, if I give it throttle, yeah, you can hear it, you can see it. Okay, just like that, all right? Okay, turning off the sound is this one, the top one. Very sounds softer, louder, and much louder. Okay, all right. So so that's it for this this video. Like I said, I'm going to put everything here, install it, make it look nicer into this pickup truck right here. Okay. So thank you again for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.